Well, I'm going to do a first startup for this winter. It's been really nice here lately, so it has been cold, but I still have the garage door open. But this is my setup. I still have fuel in there from last year. There's my battery down there. That's been like that all summer. And then I got a little battery maintainer there. That maintainer is okay, I guess, for now. Because I don't use it that much. They say not to have direct power from your house. They should always do it from a battery because if the power goes out at home, it sucks. So this is the exhaust outside. I better move this stuff out of the way in case it gets hot. This is the exhaust going outside. It's just a door that I don't use. So I just put the porthole through it. So I got a P13 code, and it's 13 Celsius in here. So I'm just going to do a startup, let it warm up, and then shut her down. So it's not going to go long. I don't know how to do this. It was on. So I guess that, it's been a while. I haven't touched this yet. Here's the remote. There she goes. High one. There she goes. She's starting on one. We'll leave it. I think this is backwards, right? Up. There we go. High 2, 3, 4. That goes to 6. So I'm just going to leave it here. We'll wait for it to boot up. Still cold coming out of here. We'll see if she starts up. I'm not really worried about temperature yet. I just want to see if it starts because I do have the garage door open. Oh, now it's pumping. It's pumping fuel. You hear it in the back? I think it's kind of priming too, right? Getting the fuel to the... She's going. See, it's starting to get faster and faster. There she goes. Still no heat yet. Still getting there a little bit. Now she's pumping right good now. Still nothing yet. Still nothing yet. It takes a few minutes to get going. But she's almost full throttle. So like I said, this has been sitting like just like this all summer. I just come, didn't even turn the battery, anything on over there for the battery. It's been like that all summer. Oh, I can smell it now. Yep, now she's getting warm. She's getting warm now. Now the ticking isn't as loud now. So she's running. So I just wanted to show you guys that. She's hot. I don't know if I want to change this piping. Probably not. I don't use it that much. But anyways, I want to leave with that. And then shut her down though. But